Top 25 plumber interview questions and answers. Plumbing is a critical trade that ensures the smooth functioning of water, waste, and gas systems in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. A skilled plumber must possess technical knowledge, problem-solving skills, and the ability to work under pressure. Job interviews for plumbers often assess both practical expertise and customer service abilities. Preparing for commonly asked questions can help candidates demonstrate competence, reliability, and professionalism, making them stand out to potential employers in this competitive industry. 1. Can you describe your plumbing experience? I have worked in the plumbing field for over X years, handling residential, commercial, and industrial projects. My experience includes installing, repairing, and maintaining pipes, fixtures, and water systems. I have expertise in reading blueprints, identifying issues, and implementing effective solutions. I have also worked with drainage, gas lines, and water heaters, ensuring safety and compliance with codes. My hands-on experience, combined with ongoing learning about new technologies and tools, allows me to troubleshoot efficiently and deliver high-quality plumbing services. 2. What types of plumbing systems are you familiar with? I am familiar with a wide range of plumbing systems, including water supply, drainage, sewage, and gas systems. I have worked on both traditional copper and modern PX piping systems. I am experienced in installing and maintaining water heaters, pumps, and filtration systems. Additionally, I am knowledgeable about plumbing codes, safety standards, and energy-efficient systems. My hands-on experience allows me to identify issues quickly, make precise repairs, and ensure that systems operate reliably. I'm also proficient in both residential and commercial plumbing projects. 3. How do you handle emergency plumbing situations? In emergency situations, I remain calm and assess the problem quickly. First, I isolate the source of the issue, such as shutting off water or gas valves. Then, I evaluate potential risks and determine the most effective solution to prevent further damage. I prioritize safety and communicate clearly with clients about necessary steps. I bring the right tools and replacement parts to ensure prompt resolution. My experience allows me to repair leaks, blockages, and broken fixtures efficiently while minimizing disruption and damage to property. 4. How do you stay updated with plumbing codes and regulations? I regularly review updates from local, state, and national plumbing codes. I attend workshops, training programs, and trade conferences to stay current on safety standards, environmental regulations, and new technologies. I also subscribe to industry publications and online forums where professionals share best practices. This ensures my work complies with legal requirements and meets safety and quality standards. Staying informed allows me to advise clients accurately, prevent code violations, and apply modern techniques in plumbing installations, repairs, and maintenance while ensuring the long-term reliability of plumbing systems. 5. What tools do you commonly use as a plumber? I regularly use wrenches, pipe cutters, pliers, augers, plungers, and pipe threading tools. For diagnostics, I use pressure gauges, leak detectors, and inspection cameras. I also utilize soldering equipment, pipe benders, and power tools for installations. Safety tools, such as gloves, goggles, and masks, are essential for protection during work. Knowing the correct tool for each task ensures efficiency and accuracy. I maintain my tools properly, keeping them clean, sharp, and functional. This readiness allows me to complete repairs and installations effectively, reducing downtime and improving client satisfaction. 6. How do you troubleshoot a leaking pipe? To troubleshoot a leaking pipe, I first inspect the visible plumbing for cracks, corrosion, or loose joints. I then isolate the section of the pipe to prevent further leakage. Using pressure tests or leak detection tools, I identify hidden issues. Once located, I choose the appropriate repair method, such as replacing a section, tightening joints, or applying sealant. After repairs, I test the system under pressure to confirm the leak is resolved. I also advise clients on preventive measures to avoid future leaks, like regular inspections and maintenance. 7. How do you handle difficult clients or complaints? I listen attentively to the client's concerns without interrupting. I remain calm and professional, acknowledging their frustration and assuring them I will resolve the issue. I explain the problem clearly and provide practical solutions, including timelines and costs. If necessary, I escalate or consult supervisors while keeping the client informed. I follow up after the work is completed to ensure satisfaction. Maintaining empathy, communication, and professionalism helps build trust, encourages repeat business, and ensures that complaints are addressed efficiently without compromising service quality or relationships. 8. Describe a challenging plumbing project you handled. I once handled a commercial building project with extensive old piping requiring complete replacement. The challenge was working without disrupting business operations. I carefully planned the work, creating a phased approach to minimize downtime. I coordinated with electricians, contractors, and the client to ensure safety and efficiency. Despite unexpected corrosion and structural obstacles, I completed the project on time and within budget. The project improved water flow and reduced leaks significantly. It required problem-solving, technical expertise, and teamwork, demonstrating my ability to manage complex plumbing tasks successfully under pressure. 9. How do you prevent clogs and blockages? I prevent clogs by advising clients on proper disposal methods, such as avoiding grease or non-flushable materials. During installation, I ensure correct pipe slope and diameter for efficient drainage. I also inspect systems for debris accumulation and recommend routine maintenance, like drain cleaning or water softeners. When repairing older systems, I replace damaged sections and install strainers or filters. Proper maintenance schedules, regular inspections, and proactive advice help prevent future blockages, reduce emergency calls, and extend the lifespan of plumbing systems while keeping water flow efficient and sanitary. 10. What safety measures do you follow on the job? I follow OSHA standards and local safety regulations at all times. I use protective gear like gloves, goggles, and masks. I isolate hazardous areas, shut off gas or water supply when needed, and ensure electrical safety. I inspect tools and equipment regularly to prevent accidents. I also educate team members about safety procedures and maintain clear communication on site. Proper labeling, ventilation, and adherence to safe working distances are priorities. By following these measures, I minimize risks of injury, property damage, and liability while ensuring safe and efficient plumbing operations. 11. How do you approach installing a new plumbing system? When installing a new plumbing system, I start by reviewing blueprints and specifications to understand requirements. I plan the layout, ensuring proper pipe sizing, slope, and code compliance. I select quality materials and tools to ensure durability. Installation is done step by step, with attention to joints, seals, and connections. After installation, I conduct pressure and leak tests to confirm proper functioning. I also provide the client with maintenance guidance and documentation. This methodical approach guarantees a safe, efficient, and long-lasting plumbing system that meets both client needs and regulatory standards. 12. How do you handle pipe corrosion? I inspect corroded pipes carefully to assess the severity of damage. For minor corrosion, I clean, treat, and seal affected areas. For extensive corrosion, I recommend replacing sections or the entire pipe with durable materials like PEX or PVC. I also evaluate water quality and install filtration if necessary to prevent recurrence. I prioritize safety during repairs to avoid leaks, contamination, or structural damage. Preventive measures such as regular inspections, corrosion-resistant fittings, and chemical treatments help prolong the life of plumbing systems while maintaining water quality and system reliability. 13. What steps do you take when installing water heaters? I start by reviewing manufacturer instructions and local codes. I assess the location, ensuring proper ventilation, drainage, and electrical or gas connections. I disconnect old units safely and install the new heater with secure fittings. I check pressure relief valves, expansion tanks, and insulation. After installation, I test the system for leaks, pressure, and proper temperature. I provide clients with operational guidance, maintenance tips, and safety precautions. Following these steps ensures optimal performance, energy efficiency, and long-term reliability while reducing risks associated with leaks, overheating, or faulty installations. 14. How do you manage time on multiple plumbing projects? I prioritize tasks based on urgency, client needs, and deadlines. I create a detailed schedule, allocating time for inspections, repairs, and installations. I prepare tools and materials in advance to avoid delays. I communicate with team members, contractors, and clients to coordinate efficiently. I also remain flexible to address emergencies without compromising quality. Monitoring progress and adjusting plans ensures that all projects stay on track. This structured approach enables me to complete tasks efficiently, maintain high-quality work, meet client expectations, and handle multiple projects without errors or missed deadlines. 15. Can you explain backflow prevention? Backflow prevention ensures that contaminated water does not flow backward into clean water supplies. I install devices like check valves, air gaps, and backflow preventers according to plumbing codes. Regular inspection and maintenance of these devices are crucial for safety. I educate clients on proper usage and the importance of testing devices annually. Backflow prevention protects public health by maintaining potable water integrity, prevents cross-contamination, and complies with regulations. My experience allows me to identify potential risks, implement preventive measures, and provide long-term solutions to ensure a safe and reliable water system. 16. How do you approach pipe insulation? I assess the type of pipe, its location, and temperature requirements before insulating. I use foam, fiberglass, or rubber insulation materials depending on the application. I ensure all joints and bends are covered properly to prevent heat loss or condensation. I also secure insulation to avoid gaps or sagging. For outdoor pipes, I use weather-resistant materials to protect against freezing. Proper insulation improves energy efficiency, prevents freezing, reduces water loss, and extends the lifespan of plumbing systems. I educate clients on maintenance to ensure insulation remains effective over time. 17. What experience do you have with gas lines? I have extensive experience installing, repairing, and maintaining natural gas and propane lines. I follow strict safety protocols, including proper shutoff procedures, leak detection, and pressure testing. I ensure compliance with local codes and regulations. I have worked on residential and commercial systems, including appliances and heating units. I also educate clients on safe usage and emergency procedures. My careful and methodical approach minimizes risks of leaks, explosions, or system failures while ensuring efficient gas flow, operational reliability, and long-term safety for both properties and occupants. 18. How do you ensure quality in your work? I ensure quality by following industry standards, plumbing codes, and best practices. I use high-quality materials, accurate measurements, and proper tools. I double-check connections, seals, and pressure tests. I document work progress and perform inspections after completion. I also keep clients informed and provide maintenance tips to ensure longevity. Continuous learning and adopting new technologies allow me to improve efficiency and effectiveness. My focus on precision, safety, and customer satisfaction ensures that all installations, repairs, and maintenance tasks meet or exceed expectations consistently. 19. How do you deal with hard water issues? I first assess water quality and identify mineral buildup causing hard water. I recommend installing water softeners, filtration systems, or chemical treatments. I also clean and decale affected fixtures, pipes, and appliances. I educate clients on maintenance practices to prevent scaling, corrosion, and inefficiency. Properly managing hard water extends plumbing system lifespan, protects appliances, improves water flow, and ensures quality water for daily use. I customize solutions based on water composition, property needs, and client preferences to provide practical and long-term remedies. 20. How do you handle sewer line problems? I inspect sewer lines using cameras or manual checks to identify blockages, breaks, or root intrusion. I clear minor clogs with augers, hydrojetting, or chemical treatments. For severe damage, I recommend repairs or replacement using trenchless methods when possible. I ensure a proper slope and venting to prevent future issues. I also educate clients on proper disposal practices and preventive maintenance. My systematic approach ensures that sewer line problems are addressed safely, efficiently, and effectively, preventing contamination, backups, and costly damage to property while maintaining proper sanitation. 21. Describe your experience with plumbing inspections. I conduct thorough inspections by checking water pressure, pipe integrity, fixture functionality, and compliance with codes. I use specialized tools like cameras, leak detectors, and pressure gauges. I document findings, provide repair recommendations, and educate clients on maintenance. Inspections help identify issues early, prevent costly emergencies, and ensure safe, efficient plumbing systems. I also collaborate with contractors, inspectors, and homeowners to meet legal and safety requirements. My experience ensures accurate assessment of both existing and new installations while maintaining high standards of reliability and compliance. 22. How do you train junior plumbers or apprentices? I provide hands-on guidance, demonstrating correct techniques for installations, repairs, and safety procedures. I explain industry standards, tools, and materials, emphasizing efficiency and accuracy. I supervise their work, give constructive feedback, and encourage problem-solving. I also teach code compliance, proper documentation, and customer service skills. Training includes observing, practicing, and gradually increasing responsibility under my supervision. My approach ensures that apprentices gain confidence, competence, and professionalism while maintaining high-quality work standards and safety. This method builds a skilled and reliable team for long-term plumbing success. 23. How do you calculate pipe sizes and materials for a project? I start by analyzing water flow requirements, pressure, and building layout. I apply plumbing codes and formulas to determine pipe diameter, length, and material type. I select materials based on durability, compatibility, and local regulations. I also consider future maintenance, cost-effectiveness, and system efficiency. Proper calculation prevents leaks, pressure loss, and operational inefficiency. I verify calculations with blueprints, flow tests, and project specifications before installation. This ensures a reliable, long-lasting plumbing system that meets client needs, complies with codes, and performs efficiently under varying conditions. 24. How do you approach preventive plumbing maintenance? I conduct routine inspections, clean drains, check for leaks, and evaluate water pressure. I advise clients on seasonal precautions like winterizing pipes. I replace worn parts, seal joints, and decale fixtures proactively. I also educate clients on proper usage and maintenance schedules. Preventive maintenance prevents emergencies, prolongs system life, improves efficiency, and reduces repair costs. My systematic approach includes documentation, regular follow-ups, and timely interventions. This ensures plumbing systems remain safe, reliable, and efficient, providing clients with peace of mind and reducing long-term operational issues. 25. Why should we hire you as a plumber? You should hire me because I combine technical expertise, hands-on experience, and strong problem-solving skills. I am committed to safety, quality, and customer satisfaction. I have a proven track record in residential, commercial, and industrial plumbing, handling installations, repairs, and preventive maintenance. I stay updated on codes, tools, and technologies, ensuring efficient, compliant, and reliable work. My communication, professionalism, and adaptability allow me to handle challenges effectively. I am dedicated, dependable, and proactive, ensuring every project is completed to the highest standard while building trust with clients and employers. Plumbing is a profession that demands technical skill, precision, and customer-oriented service. By preparing for these common interview questions, candidates can demonstrate their expertise, professionalism, and reliability. A successful plumber not only resolves issues efficiently, but also anticipates problems, ensures safety, and provides long-term solutions. With preparation and confidence, aspiring plumbers can make a strong impression in interviews and secure positions that value both skill and integrity.